Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. And to all you that watch and comment, thank you so very much. It really means so much to me. And today I have my Boxycharm Base box. I have again the one where I'm going to compare my original box to the one that I recently started, and I've already added up. I'm going to start with the one that is new because I've already calculated that to have that out of the way. So I'm going to go ahead and do that one first. And I know a lot of people were questioning whether Boxycharm gives better products to the newer subscribers or the older subscribers. So I wanted to see just what I get if from old and the new. My older one is at least 3 years old, and I also have two different profiles, like things that I like, things that I don't like, hair color, eye color. I have two different profiles set up to see. I don't think this time was as many variations. Well, I know there was a lot of variations because, I mean, if you figure 5 products in one and 5 in the other, it can, just that alone can be quite a few variations. But I mean, as far as products, most of the unboxings I've seen are pretty much the same products compared to some of the months of what I've seen. So guess what I got? The first thing I got is this Beauty Creations Cali Glow. Let's see, this retails for $14.99. It says a summer glow all year long. Yes, please. The Cali Glow Highlight Palette is made up of 3 shades to suit all skin tones. Malibu has a subtle champagne color. Santa Monica gives you the golden hour look all day long. And Manhattan Beach is for the ultimate bronze look. And again, this is $14.99. There is the packaging. There is it without its sleeve. It does have a fairly good size mirror. And there are the colors. That one looks dark enough that it could almost be used as a bronze. Let's see. Here's that one. There's the middle one. Well, that's not quite as dark as I thought it was going to be. So I've still got swatches on my arms from where I just did my eye look. That's not too dark. Oh, those are pretty. Those are actually really nice. I just put on highlighter to show the oat for highlighter I had, or I would try that. If y'all would like me to try this, which I probably will anyway here soon, but that's actually a nice palette for $15. I think so anyway. And then I got... this was my choice. I'm not actually sure how you say this. The lip enhancer. Is it Joer? I don't know exactly how you pronounce that word. But I love any kind of lip products. I cannot stand dry lips. And as we know, your lips and your eyes are some of the first places to show age. So I try to keep my lips moisturized 24/7. This has the typical little thing that you put it on with. And I do know that a lot of people say this is a really good brand. I've used that brand, but honestly, I can't remember what it was I used in that brand, but I think I will probably try that tonight. So it says infused with good for you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. That retails for $17. What do y'all think about my hair? I colored it today, and anytime I color it, the conditioner that you put on afterwards makes it so silky like that it just kind of doesn't want to do what I want it to do. But Levi really liked it. He said that he thought it turned out a little bit blonder than what I usually do. So the next one is the Earth Harbor Youth Ampules. And let's see what this looks like. I love things like this, so never mad at that. Oh, that's pretty. Look at the bottle. I love glass bottles too. Yep, they're really pretty. I think I'll try this tonight too. I love, these are the ones I think they say when I read this one, not this one, but about these, that these are supposed to be even more concentrated than serums. I mean, it's just what I read. And that you can put these on before serums because they're so concentrated with good stuff. It says, named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun, Helios. Anti-pollution youth ampule, I think that's how you pronounce that, not quite sure, is an almighty ambrosia brimming with ultra reparative plant stem cells and a fountain of youth preserving red algae, astaxanthin, I'm not sure how you say that either, restore antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. And that retails for $48. I have always prided myself in being able to say words, and y'all know I'm from the South, and most people I talk to nowadays tell me they could not tell that from talking to me that I'm from the South, but I have worked years trying to make sure that I don't have a Southern accent because, well, y'all know, not that a Southern accent is bad, but for example, growing up, I always heard, I cannot even say it right now, the aluminum foil, aluminum, I can't even pronounce it the way I grew up hearing it. But I practiced for the longest to make sure that I did not say words that were not correct. The next thing is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. Yes. This is a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm-toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one, composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. This retails for $48. I think that was it. No, there was one more thing in there. Okay, I thought that was it. Let me put, I thought that was, did I? No, I guess it, okay, yeah, I didn't. There's one more. The Alamar Cosmetic Pigment Base. I actually, my hair is tickling my face again. I actually tried this on the look I just did. I just used it. It did feel a little dry. It didn't want to spread very well. And I did put like an extra coating of lotion under it so it would spread better, and I still didn't like the way it spread, so I got a tiny bit of the serum. I can't even think of what the name of it was. I think it was a Pearly serum. Just a tiny little bit to help it spread, and that did the trick. So this is a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning moisturizer benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. Oh, I guess I should have read this. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade. So that's pretty. That's like, it does all kinds of things. So this retails for $15. So this box, this entire box, if y'all know, these boxes are $25, and this one retails for $142.99. Is that not awesome? That is a cool box. And this one is variation 18, and this one weighed 1.2 pounds, according to FedEx. And I'm sure y'all have already seen this palette, but I'm going to show you anyway. Look how beautiful. It's such a nice, it's really nice. I like ones that are that feel like it's actually going to hold the product. Look at that. Really pretty. Yeah. I almost thought about doing my fall look with this. Look at those really pretty colors. And I will be doing a look with this very soon. So there is that one. And again, this is the new version. New. That's the new version. This is the box that I've had for years. The one I'm getting now. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one that I've had for years. And the first thing I'm pulling out is the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. This retails for $28. Let me put it over there. It says cleansing properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. This gentle sulfate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredients and keeps your skin barrier intact so you can start your routine right with skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated. Again, this retails for $28. I have tried the Peach and Lily serum and I liked it. Look, really pretty packaging. Let's see, it's probably, yeah, it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it because I have got several cleansers. I've actually got on Boxycharm that I don't want cleansers because I have so many. I won't go through them, so I'm going to go through my cleansers and figure out which ones I've never opened so that I can share them with you all and put a few, some of them in giveaways so that they don't just go to waste. And then the next thing I got is the Yenza Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. A 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrating, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes, and this retails for $45. I've tried Yenza. I actually did a video. If y'all watched it, you may remember it was the BB cream, and I think I had a primer I used. Yenza's supposed to be really good stuff. really pretty packaging. And that is sealed too, so I can smell that through the package. It's not a terrible smell, but it's definitely got a smell. What did it say? Pumpkin? I think that's what I'm smelling. It smells almost like just a hint of pumpkin pie. It has just well, you can smell the spice. And then this milk makeup was my choice. This, see, where does it say? Oh, here it is. Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. A waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. This retails for $24. Let me put that on the list. We will look at this because I'm actually almost out of my It Cosmetics. That is my favorite one. So I'm going to have to be replacing it. Maybe this will be as good. I don't know. The It Cosmetics Hero one is the only one. Look at that beautiful packaging. Look at that. Is one of the only mascaras that I feel like paying $20 for because I love it that much. There is the wand. Yeah, really pretty. You see how pretty the packaging is? Look at that. I like that. So I'm going to leave that set out because I need to put that in the stuff that I need to use. And then I got, is it liquid corrector? What is this? A liquid corrector, Meet the Perfect Under Eye Brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight formula creates a natural glowish finish, and this retails for $15. I'm gonna have to try this. It's Jekka Black. I don't know how you pronounce that yet. I'll try this. I'll put it over here to try too. There's that packaging. Yeah, it has the peachy color to it. So there is that. And guess what else? Do you know what this means? I've done read what it says, and this retails for $48. So this box retails for $160. And again, this is a $25 box, and you get $160 worth of products in it. I know some of this stuff might be on sale, but really, Natasha Denona doesn't go on sale very often. Not an extremely good sale, like half off or something. I did buy a palette. I'm going to be showing soon that I did get really a good price, but it was an older palette. So, which box do you all think was better? And y'all know what this means. It will be going in a future giveaway. And I need to go get some other things together to decide what all I want to put in the giveaways. So which box do you think was better? The new box or the old box? I don't remember now what I said that new one retails, but I think it was, what was it, 150 something, I think. And the old one retails for 160. I think they were really good boxes, personally. To me, they were good boxes. I'm happy with them. Even if some of the products go to you all, I really personally, that is a successful box to me when I can have some products that I need and also have a few that I can share. Then that makes me happy. So I have, yep, that was everything. So I love you guys. I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.